Hello everyone, welcome in this video. In this video, I talking about how YouTube buy in 1000 views. In 1000 views, how much you can earn in these views, and how much YouTube buy in 1000. A lot of men and people send me how YouTube buy in 1000 views. In this video, I will talking about how about a lot of requests he controlling buying in YouTube in 1000 views. First one, to be honest with you, it's not have exactly number for 1000 views. A lot of requests controlling this, first one, it's audience. Your audience, if you have audience, Arabic audience, it's CPM you have in your channel, it's less than audience in a big country like Canada, Australia, and Germany, a big Europe, GCC. All these country have a high CPM. Morocco or another country of Africa or anything, Asia, all this have a list CPM. Secondly, it's your niche. If you're talking about how making money online, or how buying luxury cars, or real estate, or assurance, all this. If you're talking about assurance, or avoca, all this, if you're talking about him, you have a high CPM. And sometimes this you can have CPM $1000. Look, 1000 in $1000 in 1000 views. You can earn in this number if you're talking in a niche, a high CPM niche, like assurance, like real estate, like cars, luxury cars, all this. If you're talking about him, you can have in your channel a high CPM. Then interest of your audience. If your audience interest about cars or real estate, you can YouTube show for your audience ads of cars, of real estate. Then you can have a high CPM in your channel, because this niche advertise buy a lot of money for to showing him ads for your audience. Then as you can see, we have a lot of requests to have a high CPM in your channel. Then you must, if you want open channel in YouTube, just you can firstly choose high CPM niche, and you can talking about him to have more earning in your channel. All is this. If you want to monetize your channel, just you can send me in number of, you find it in description, and we can give you 1000 subscriber and 4000 views to approve your channel in YouTube. Thank you so much. And if you like this idea, and if you like the idea, just make a small like, and give me subscribe for this channel, to give you more idea to how you can make money online out, and how you can get more dollars in your wallet. Thank you so much, and see you guys to another video and another idea next time. Thank you so much, and be soon. I share with you a lot of things how you can make money. We don't effort, we don't skills, we don't experience. Just keep going and open your passive income, or you can make a cash cow channel. All this I explain him in this channel. Just make subscribe, and thank you so much. See you to another video.